In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule an email here on Gmail. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to schedule an email here in Gmail, begin by obviously opening up Gmail and select compose a new email. Or you can also do this to reply to another email. In my case, I'm just going to choose compose just like so. And once you go ahead and direct your message to whoever, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually find this send button down here, and right next to this send button, you're going to see this little arrow here. Go ahead and select that small arrow, and then it's going to pull up with an option to schedule send. Select that schedule send button, and then from here, you can go ahead and either choose any of these options, which I just selected, or you can go ahead and pick a specific time and date. So in my case, I'm going to choose a specific time and date. We're going to do today, and we're going to do it at 6:01 a.m. After that, simply hit schedule send, and it's going to automatically schedule that send for 6:01 a.m. that specific day. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But now your email is going to go out exactly whenever you need it to. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.